Hey y'all. Well, I want to show you a quick sandwich spread that you can make, and this is kind of a heritage item for me. It involves 4 ingredients, and I'd like to show you real quick how to make it. Okay, we've got a 4 ingredient sandwich spread. We've got 6 hard-boiled eggs processed in the food processor. I've got about 9 ounces of drained green olives with the stuffed green olives processed in the food processor. All these are processed at different times separately. Processed separately, I mean. And then I've got 1 cup of pecans that have been finely chopped in the food processor. You can do all this by hand. You don't have to have the food processor. And then I've got 2 cups of salad dressing, and I'm using Miracle Whip. And that's it. So it's a pecan olive spread. And this recipe is from my Aunt Penny, which is why I call it a heritage item. When we got married, she gave me a recipe file that she had written a lot of the family recipes in. And I used that for a long time. I still do, but I've got the recipes memorized now, so many of them. So I've still got that. I did the same thing for my sister when she married, and it's just nice to pass down recipes. So this spread, my mother's side of the family went to Disney World in the 80s. And my Aunt Penny wrote on the recipe that she took this spread down there, and I remember that. I remember loving it. I love a mixture of pecans and olives, and so this spread it makes a lot, as you can see, and it'll keep a couple of weeks in the refrigerator. You can use it on any kind of whatever bread you want. You can make little dainties. You can have it for a tea party, make little dainty sandwiches. I'm thinking you could mix it with some cream cheese and use it for a bagel spread maybe, or just use it like this for a bagel spread. You can also use mayonnaise if you don't want to use salad dressing. So if you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe below and hit the little bell icon, and that will give you notifications when we have uploaded another video. Our publishing schedule for uploading is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Lord willing. We are also on Twitter, Facebook, and then Instagram every day. And our new website is www.heritageways.com. And we try to add new content every Tuesday, Thursday on that website. So thanks for walking life with us, and I hope you'll try this sandwich spread. It's good. So just make it your own and just enjoy a simple sandwich spread that's something different from just your usual ham and cheese sandwich. No, because I just did a video on ham and cheese sandwich. Something different. Okay, bangs. Just some kind of different from your usual ham sandwich on white bread. So enjoy. Thanks for watching this short little video. I hope you'll subscribe below and hit the notification, the little bell, and you'll get, I almost said warnings. Woo! Hey y'all. Well, thanks for watching our video. Look, Mr. Patient has a halo. Tell them what to do. Real quick. You don't have long.
Tell them what to do.
Tell them where to go real quick. You've only got, like for
tell
real.
them where to go. That's awful rude.
Well, it only can be 25.
Not being rude.
Well, this is going to have to be trash because it's 30 seconds. Okay, try it again. All right.
What do you got to stop and do again?
I'll just have to delete that.
Or is this an edit?
I hope I'll edit it.
Can you edit it?
Yeah. Hey, y'all. Thanks for watching our video. Mr. Patient's got a halo.
Oh.
See the lights? Anyway, www.heritageways.com. Tell them where else to go.
You can see us on Instagram, and we can tweet you from Twitter.
Well, I'm not tweeting them, but they can Okay.
I thought we did tweet.
Well,
Is
we
that not
don't, but
Yeah, we tweet.
and they
And they
look at
receive
it.
the tweet.
Yeah, or something. I don't know.
We're Twitters. Tweeters.
You're not.
Tweeters. That's right.
I can tell you, you're not.
See, because look, I'm an angel.